the recording at the end. Okay. Good. Well, look, hello, everybody. My name is Rob Dudley, and I am the Head of Employability and Engagement at BARBRI. I've worked in legal education and careers now for about 20 odd years, and we look after the careers and development work for the law school here at BARBRI. My team and I are here to support you throughout your SQE journey with a whole range of different services that will support your career ambitions and your goals to really help you gain experiences and to enter the legal profession fully equipped. We deliver a whole range of different tools and services in careers and employability, and a lot of new content and tools like our Career Hub platform that you will have access to as a current student or an alumnus. We partner with a wide range of legal recruiters and industry experts to provide you with the most relevant and up-to-date insights, information on roles and other opportunities to get you ahead. Career Hub is an invaluable source and tool to really help you navigate and upskill for your future career. It features AI-driven technology to help you create the ideal CV, covering letters, and also simulated assessments and interviews along with job search engines as well. It contains key industry information along with our pathway programs in legal tech, legal research, and employability to enhance your CV and your skills even more. We also offer leading initiatives to help you on your QWE journey. It's a big component part of the SQE and really, really important. So we have devised a new initiative called QWE Kickstart, which provides a minimum of 6 months qualifying work experience for those who successfully pass through the competitive selection process. Our team of expert careers consultants are very well versed in advising our students into the legal sector. So I'm delighted to be joined today by Drew and by Jackie Gardner, two of our careers consultants. Jane, perhaps if I could just ask you to introduce yourself, please.
Yes, thanks, Rob. Hi, so I'm Jane. I am a experienced careers consultant. I have over 25 years experience in the legal sector. I was head of graduate recruitment and trainee development, one of the large London corporate law firms for 18 years. And for the past 8 years, I've been a freelance graduate recruiter and careers coach. So still working with a number of large city law firms, as well as offering careers coaching and guidance in other sectors as well. And I've been working with BARBRI as a careers consultant, offering one-to-one appointments with students for the past 3 years.
Thanks, Jane. Jackie, over to you.
Thanks, Bob. Yes. So my name's Jackie Gardner, and I am a BARBRI careers consultant, and I'm qualified as a solicitor. I've worked in the private sector and also worked in non-for-profit. My area of expertise is litigation, and I've represented many clients at court and also at employment tribunals. I also work university and law school and help students with employability skills, lawyering skills, and professional development.
Brilliant. Thank you, Jackie. You, of course, are both at the forefront of advising students in these one-to-one careers appointments. I suppose to help students understand a little bit more about what's covered and how these sessions run. Jackie, I just wondered whether you could talk a little bit about what you actually cover within these sessions, please.
Yes, so we get a wide variety of queries, and a lot of them are about training contracts and QWE. We also help students with the whole application process. So we will help with filling out application forms, helping students develop their CVs, and also covering letters. We can help with interview skills, preparing them with questions, and also successful interview techniques. Some of our students don't actually have a particular job in mind or even a particular question, but they just want to come and talk about some of their options. They want to know a little bit more about the legal sector. So we're happy to help whatever the query is.
Brilliant, thank you. And Jane, how in practice, I suppose, do the appointments actually run?
Just unmute myself. So as we said earlier, so each appointment is 30 minutes. So we would normally start by introductions, finding out more about you and your background, and then what your career dilemma is. So that could be anything from you need CV guidance and advice to job hunting strategies. So we'll get to the crux of your career dilemma, what you need help with. We'll then obviously spend time going through that, and we'll try and give you guidance, advice, and so that you come away from that half an hour with a clear idea of next steps, and what you need to do to kind of achieve your goals and get to where you want to. So we say we'll come up with a clear plan of action. You can absolutely book another appointment if you need one. I'm working with a number of students at the moment that have booked follow-up appointments, so they might be making training contract applications. Then they've then got to the next stage and they've got an assessment centre, so they need a follow-up appointment for interview tips and assessment centre guidance, for example. So that's how the half an hour would work.
Brilliant. Thank you both for that that detail. I think I'd encourage you as current students or new students to us to really explore booking appointments with either Jane or Jackie, because as you can see, they're highly experienced careers professionals with huge amounts of insight into the legal sector. You can do that through Career Hub. So if you go to the Career Hub main page and access the one-to-one advice link, you can then go through to a bookings page that will show all the availability for the upcoming 30 days in advance. So I'd encourage you all to do that. If you want to access more information about all of the various different tools that we've mentioned today on this webinar, please have a look at the website that runs through a number of those initiatives and the toolkit itself. And then, of course, go to Career Hub to access those interactive tools as well. So thank you very much to Jackie and to Jane. Thank you very much for joining this webinar, and we hope it's been useful to you. Thank you.